Hey friends, it's Carl with ClearFlow Home Maintenance. Today I want to share something, some real talk about these things, gutter guards, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Sorry for the noise. A lot of homeowners have been sold on the idea that once you install gutter guards, you'll never have to clean your gutters again. And I'm here to tell you that's just not true. Yes, gutter guards come in all types of screens, mesh type systems, toppers. Some do minimize debris, but none are completely foolproof. I've seen it firsthand. Plants growing out of the top of them, waterfalls overshooting the top of these systems, and piles of leaves, sticks, acorns, you name it, just sitting on top of the gutters. Eventually, you still have to clean the system. And so here's the ugly truth. The salesman may promise a lifetime of clean gutters, but what really happens is nothing more than frustration, clogs, and even expensive water damage if they're not maintained. If you've experienced this firsthand, let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you because we hear it all the time. Now, here's the second mistake that I see that homeowners make. They stop inspecting their roof once they have these gutter guard systems installed. Gutter cleaning season is the perfect time to check for missing shingles, nail pops, possible leaks. Your gutters and your roof work together to keep your home dry and protected. So now, don't get me wrong, at ClearFlow Home Maintenance, we do install gutter guards if a customer really wants them, but only with full disclosure. They are not a set it and forget it system. They will still require maintenance. In fact, we often get calls from new customers asking us to remove the old gutter guards because no one told them this up front and they've had problems. Okay, so remember this. With or without gutter guards, you must maintain your system. Okay, there's no way around it. Do you want to trade cleaning your gutters for cleaning your gutter guards? Either way, you gotta clean both. So if you found this helpful, do me a favor, like the video, share it with a friend, and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss more ClearFlow Home Maintenance tips. And if you're in the Charlotte area and need a gutter cleaning quote or an inspection, reach out to us today for a free quote. You'll find our contact information and our website always in the description box below. ClearFlow Home Maintenance, gutter cleaning, and so much more. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Peace out.